Leicester Sound FM Travel Update.
No.
The latest travel news from 103.2 Leicester Sound FM.
With the Car Shop, Leicester's biggest used car centre.
Bags of cars, bags of fun, the Car Shop. Relax, go do it, buy a suite today. Relax, don't worry, no interest to pay.
Ideal Homes' massive sale is now on, with a huge selection of suites, all at discount prices. With a minimum £100 part exchange for your old suite, and up to 3 years interest-free credit available. Just ask for written details. The massive suite sale is now on at Ideal Home Superstore in Blackbird Road, Leicester. Call in soon and relax with us.
Relax, go do it, when you want a new suite. Relax, go do it, with a suite from Ideal Homes.
It's a trend all gone,
and you just ain't grooving.
Get on down to Walker's, our Goodyear tires
We'll get you moving.
Get on down to Walker's, if you've lost your balance
And you got the shakes.
Get on down to Walker's, if your wheels need tracking.
Oh, your battery breaks.
Get on down to Walker's, if you want the best
For service and price.
Get on down to Walker's, there's a branch near you.
Now ain't that nice?
Get on down to Walker's. Walker's Tire Service, simply the best in Leicester.
Wow, they're not wood. Coldseal windows. That's why they're so good now. Coldseal windows. Yeah, you know that every Coldseal window's made from PVC. That's why they offer you a full 10-year guarantee. Come on. Coldseal. Wow, they're not wood. Coldseal windows. That's why they're so good now. Coldseal windows. Wow, they're not wood. Coldseal windows. That's why they're so good.
Peugeot main dealers Parkin & Jones of Colville require a fully skilled motor vehicle technician to work at excellent rates of pay, plus overtime and bonuses in pleasant working conditions. For application forms, call Parkin & Jones on 0530 836 114 or see tonight's Leicester Mercury.
Here at Leicester Sound FM, we are determined to give you, the radio listener, a bigger say in what comes out of your radio. So we are planning to hold public meetings. There's one in Leicester this Friday night, the 21st of January, at the Leicester Sound FM studios in Granville Road. There are two sessions, one at 5 p.m. and another at 6 p.m. Next week in Glenparva, Wednesday the 26th of January, there's one at the County Arms at 7:15, and the following night in Loughborough, that's Thursday the 27th of January, at the John Storer House at 7:15. If you'd like to book a seat at one of these public meetings, then dial Leicester 55 16 16. That's Leicester 55 16 16. Leicester Sound FM. We listen to you because you listen to us.
Leicester Sound FM. All hits, all night.